Oh my god! Loretta Street Production presents The Coffin!
Hey, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a very nice day.
Light green.
Alright, I'll go get some.
I wonder what's taking him so long.
Oh no, I've been coughed on.
The name's Jacques Acon. I'm the brother of Mr. Squirrel. I have been hired to solve the mystery of the grisly murder of this poor soul. Excuse me for a moment. I need some materials to investigate the fingerprint. Oh my god! Bonjour, I am here to test you for COVID-20. Okay. 22! Bonjour, I'm here to test you for COVID-20. Also positive! Bonjour, I'm here to test you for COVID-20.
Screen.
Positive! Oh, my brother, I'm here to test you for COVID-20. You're also a suspect. Positive! Bonjour, I'm here to test you. Negative! We've only eliminated one suspect. My brother has been decapitated. But at least we only have 3 suspects left. I just realized it's been 15 days since the initial murder, but only 14 days since I last tested people. If I test them today, and if they test positive, they'll no longer be suspects. What are you doing?
See my son here, he's adopted. No!
That means the fingerprints wouldn't match. So, he is the murderer! Merci, mon ami. It's time they caught this murderer.
Ha ha, you suck.
No! No! Let me out!